In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize navigation pane in Outlook. If you want Outlook to feel cleaner, more organized, and easier to use every day, customizing the navigation pane is a great place to start. This lets you adjust the way key sections appear so you can set things up in a way that fits your workflow. To begin, go to Mail in Outlook. Make sure you're on the main mail view because that's where the navigation options you need will be available. Once you're there, take a quick look at the layout on the screen so you can identify the current navigation pane and see what you may want to change. Next, look to the right side and click the three dots. This opens a menu with additional options that aren't shown directly on the main screen. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. These menus often group layout and display tools together, so this is the right place to continue. From that menu, click on Customize. This will open the customization settings for the navigation pane. At this point, you'll be able to adjust the pane based on your preferences. The goal here is to make Outlook more comfortable and efficient for you to use. For example, you may want to prioritize the tools or sections you use most often, or simplify the view so it feels less cluttered. Go ahead and customize it in your preferred way. Take a moment here and review the available choices carefully before confirming anything. Small changes in the navigation pane can make a big difference in how quickly you move around Outlook, especially if you use it regularly for email, calendars, or other connected features. It's a good idea to choose a layout that feels intuitive and supports the way you naturally work. Once you're happy with your changes, click on Save. This will apply the customization and update your navigation pane with the new settings. After saving, it's worth taking a quick look around the interface to make sure everything appears the way you expected. If needed, you can always return to the same customization menu later and adjust it again. And that's it. That's how to customize the navigation pane in Outlook. It's a simple change, but it can make your workspace feel more personalized and much easier to navigate.